more conventional bombing. It's been around, been flown in our services since 1956. So that makes it 57 years old. The youngest one is 50 years old. So it must have been a really good design. But there are a number of them still being flown. You can have in the same family, you know, multiple 3 or more generations that made a career out of flying the B-52. Some of these airframes get a lot more life than others. And this aircraft's got a plaque and things on it to commemorate a Navy Lieutenant Clyde Lassen, who won the Medal of Honor in Vietnam by rescuing a downed F-4 crew in the background. And there's a few old missile sections here, a couple of Titans, a couple of Thor sections. Some of these aircraft don't look like a museum would really want them. Okay, we're about to cross over Kolb Road. See more C-5 aircraft over there. That's our largest cargo aircraft. They're not retiring all of them, but they are retiring, we've heard, the A model for cost reasons. They're making their parts available to, the 60 or so that are still flying. B-1B is not used for nuclear anymore, it's used for conventional. It does have a swing wing and it is supersonic. Beautiful aircraft. Now there's some aircraft coming up on the right that are old airliners. Turns out the Air Force bought a bunch of retired 707s when the airlines retired them because they needed them for all the compatible parts that needed by the KC-135s.